Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of no internet connection in Windows 10. It can be frustrating when you're unable to connect to the internet, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1 to begin, let's use the Network Troubleshooter. Click on the Windows icon in the bottom left of your screen to bring up the Start menu. Choose Settings, or alternatively, use the Windows +I shortcut. Next, click on the Network and Internet tile. Make sure to stay on the Status tab, then scroll down and click on the Network Troubleshooter. Wait for the troubleshooter to diagnose your computer and identify any issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix any errors and issues found. Solution 2. If the first solution didn't work, let's try enabling your network adapter. Again, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left of your screen to bring up the Start menu. Choose Settings or use the Windows +I shortcut. Click on the Network and Internet tile and stay on the Status tab. Scroll down and click on the Change Adapter Options button. A new window will appear listing your network adapters. Right-click on the adapter you're trying to use and choose Enable from the context menu. Solution 3. In case the previous solutions didn't resolve the issue, it's worth checking if airplane mode is enabled. Click on the network icon in your taskbar. If airplane mode is turned on, you'll see an airplane symbol. Simply click on the airplane mode icon to disable it. Your network should become visible again. Try reconnecting to your network and see if you're able to get back online. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no internet connection issue in Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.